Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to turn off remixing on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can turn off remixing on Instagram, but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can turn off remixing on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, scroll down and select the specific post you want to turn off the remixing. After you select it, you'll see this three dots icon at the upper right corner of the post. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see Turn off remixings. Simply tap on this turn off remixing. As you can see, no one will be able to create new remixes with this photo. Existing remixes will not be affected unless you delete your photo. To continue, simply tap on this turn off button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can turn off remixing on your specific post on Instagram, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can turn off remixing on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.